Welcome to another series of our bariatric cooking classes. The last couple of days that some warm weather has popped up, it has made me want to start making some lighter dishes. I know we're not in spring or summer quite yet, but those sunny days and the warmer weather that we did get recently made me want to make something a little bit lighter. So that's what I've got for you guys today. Today we're going to make a zucchini pasta, and we're going to make our own zucchini pasta using a spiralizer. I went ahead and already spiralized 3 whole zucchini. I left one here to show you how to do that. For the recipe, you need 4 small to medium zucchinis. We're also going to use the shrimp. I have a pound of peeled and deveined shrimp, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 2 tablespoons of a soft spread, which is going to give it the buttery flavor in the recipe, 1 whole lemon, the juice of a 1 whole lemon, and also the zest of a whole lemon, salt and pepper to season the shrimp, a 1/4 cup of chopped parsley, and a 1/4 cup of either white wine, or what I have here is chicken broth, because that's what I had in hand, but you can also use white wine. And I have 4 garlic cloves here that I already minced. So the first thing I'm going to show you is how to use the spiralizer. So follow me. So to prep the zucchini, all you have to do is cut both ends off, and then I cut the zucchini in half because I found it's easier to spiralize that way. You should be able to do the whole zucchini, but I just found it to be easier. So that's how I'm going to do it today. So I have this is a Brief Tons brand spiralizer. I bought it online and is inexpensive and has worked really, really well. So I'm just going to put it in here and start spiralizing. So I already finished spiralizing everything. I have it here in the bowl for when I need it. The first thing that we're going to do is we're going to heat the olive oil in the pan. I have it heating up in a medium-high heat, and we're going to sear the shrimp and season it with the salt and pepper. So let me bring the ingredients over there and we'll start doing that. The first thing I'm going to add is the 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Swirl that up in the pan to coat that bottom evenly. And then I'm going to lay all the shrimp flat in the bottom of the pan. I'm going to try to get as many shrimp to touch the pan as possible so they all cook as evenly as possible. I'm going to season this to taste with salt and pepper. And let it cook for a minute or 2. The shrimp has been cooking for about 2 minutes. Now I'm going to add the minced garlic and toss it around. Lay them flat again. Do another quick sprinkle of salt and pepper. And let them cook for another minute. This has been cooking for another minute or two. Now I'm going to transfer it to this plate right here. Now I'm going to add the soft spread, the buttery spread, the lemon juice, chicken broth or white wine, whichever you prefer or have on hand, and the lemon zest. And this is going to simmer for 2 to 3 minutes. Now I'm going to add the chopped parsley, the spiralized zucchini noodles, and these we're just going to heat through for like 30 seconds. They just need to get warmed up. And the shrimp back into the pan. I'm gonna change utensils, grab some tongs, and toss it all together. I think this is a really easy and, in my opinion, elegant looking dinner that you can whip up any evening after work, even if you're tired. This really does not take long to make, and it's a very, very nice meal. And that's it. Now that it's ready, I'm going to show you how to plate. So I've got my small plate here, and the first thing I'm going to do is grab the noodles, put them in the bottom of the plate, and then, of course, the most important thing is the shrimp. That's where all the protein is. And grab as many shrimp as you are able to consume. There you go. I hope you enjoy.